Okay. Not sure how well this works. All right. That's my wife's camera. Don't judge me. Today, we need to take that steel wall out, a divider. We actually ordered it from the dealership without that. They gave us a credit for it, but shipped it anyway. So since they are in California, they said just sell it. Anyway, here we go.
Alright, so the first step, as I'm sure you guys just saw, was Woody taking out that divider, which you didn't see the struggle, but there were 2 bolts at the very top, I guess, that he didn't have the right size tool for, and he said it was heavy, really heavy, and there was no one here to help him. I feel so bad, but he manned it in here. And now we are going to measure to start on the floor. I think that's the first step we're going to do. We did have a cute little birthday party shindig. Wow, it's echoey in here. For our friend, when we first got the van, we just set up a table and some balloons, and there was just 4 of us. It was really cute. But we forgot to take all the balloons out.
Got it.
All right, so now we need to measure, and we're trying to figure out, we're gonna do the flooring first, and we're gonna do insulation, and then reflectics, and then subfloor, and then vinyl flooring. Right, babe?
Yes.
Did I say it right?
Yep.
And then we need to take all of these panels off, and all the floor panels, and we'll go from there. Just want you guys to see what we're working with right now. Snow, do you see that? Can't really see it on the camera, but now it's in the van. Well, welcome to Utah. You know how I just showed you that it was snowing outside? Now the sun's out a little bit. Well, it's hiding behind a cloud right now, and it's not snowing anymore. And those are blue skies. What we're working with here. That's okay.
Hello. We are now removing the factory flooring that came with the van. I think we mentioned this earlier, but we asked them to remove the flooring in the walls as well as the cargo divider, and they said they were going to, but they did not. We still got the credit for it, and they told us to just keep it, so we're going to remove it now.
Alright, so now we're taking off the walls because there's not enough battery power on that battery and that drill to take off the rest of these super heavy duty bolts.
It's because they're torqued down pretty tight, and this battery is only like 25% full right now. So,
and by we I mean Woody. Olive and I are here for moral support. I would help, but there's only 1 drill. I'm not just being lazy, I promise.
Follow me around with that. Eventually.
Ooh. All the insulation is going to go here. And then sub walls, right? Do you do sort of sub wall? He nodded.
Yes, sorry.
These little things, they're kind of like little butterfly clasps. And you have to turn it, and then you just pop it out. Like that. And this is what they look like. If it'll focus at all. And that's what's holding up all of these around the top layer. Not sure why they did that.
And the bottom.
Oh, and the bottom. So yeah, we're just gonna take all these out. And just these plastic pieces. All right, I got a little bundled up because it's cold in Utah. We took off all the side paneling. This is what it looks like. The walls are nice and bare now. And now we're taking these step guards off, these plastic step guards, so we can get the floor out. Don't be fooled. That was not pleasant, taking all of these little plastic butterfly screw things off. Kept raking our knuckles on the plastic sheeting stuff. But we're making progress, we're getting there. It's empty. We got everything out.
It's brighter.
It's so much brighter because it's reflecting. Hi, pretty girl. Is that your little place? Your little bed?
Your spot. Come on.
It seems bigger and more open, huh?
Yeah. It's day 2.
It's day 2 of our van build. All we did yesterday was take off all of the paneling. And it's super echoey in here. We're making our first trip to Home Depot, right, babe?
Trip number 1.
Trip number 1. There's lots of stuff. It's overwhelming, actually. Good thing we did some research. Although it's still overwhelming. There's just so many options on like insulation, and then there's the Reflectix sizes and the like little spray foam insulation to fill in the gaps and stuff. So we need to get a cart and figure this out. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes Woody and I cannot agree when we do projects. He also has to pee like a million times. He's currently using the restroom. We had wood loaded on, and then we couldn't really find any, like a fourth good piece because it's all splintery, so now we don't know what to do. We're going back and forth between the cost or sanded or what on the subfloor wood. So, how do you know that's a good one?
Straight.
Let me see.
A little curve out down at the end.
A little bit. Yep.
It's got some shavings taken off of it.
What are these for?
The foundation of our subfloor.
Do we need barbed wire?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But I found some.
No.
Okay. Alright, we got most of the stuff we needed, as you can see in the back. The other stuff that we need we couldn't find at Home Depot, which is so odd, but we found it on trusty old Amazon. So
Ye old Amazon.
Ye old Amazon. So we're gonna wait for it to come. We can only work on it on the weekends anyway because I work 2 jobs and kids and stuff.
That's true.
But we'll pick this up next weekend and get working on the floor.